guys, Kyle here with Creative Cosplays, and if you've been trying to figure out how you can make your very own PVC mannequin to display your cosplays or just for storage, well, I just built my own, and today I'm going to show you how you can build your own for under $40. So, let's get started.
So, before we get started, we're going to need a few things. We are going to be working with 1-inch PVC pipes to create a mannequin that is 70 inches tall. The materials you're going to need for this project are 2 10-foot PVC pipes with a 1-inch diameter, 6 90-degree elbow connectors, 7 T-joint connectors, 2 45-degree connectors, 2 caps, and preferred PVC pipe cutting tool. At the date of this video, our materials only cost us $37. Once you have everything that you need, you will start by measuring and cutting your PVC pipes to these sizes: 2 at 36 inches, 2 at 24 inches, 5 at 12 inches, 2 at 8 7/8 inches, 4 at 6 inches, 3 at 4 3/4 inches, and 2 at 2 1/4 inch. Do you have all your pieces cut and ready to assemble? Perfect. Let's get started. Starting off with the base of your mannequin, we're going to grab 2 12-inch pipes, 4 6-inch pipes, 2 T connectors, and 4 90-degree elbow connectors. Arrange them like this and start connecting your pieces. Make sure that your T connectors are facing upwards. You should end up with something like this. Next, we will assemble the arms. For this, you're going to grab 2 12-inch pipes, your 2 8 7/8 inch pipes, 2 of your 2 1/4 inch pipes, 2 caps, 2 90-degree elbows, and the 2 45-degree connectors. Once you have those, we can assemble both arms. Use your 2 45-degree connectors to connect a 12-inch and 8-inch pipe. Connect the 90-degree connector to the other end of the 8-inch pipe with your 2-inch one connected on the other side of it. Then add your cap to the end of the 12-inch pipe. You'll then have one arm. Be sure to do the same thing for the other arm. Now, let's put it all together. Grab your 2 36-inch pipes and connect them to the 2 T pipes that are on the base frame. Then, you're going to attach 2 more T connectors to the top as shown and connect them with a 12-inch pipe. Once done, you will attach your 2 24-inch PVC pipes on top into the remaining T connectors. Now we are going to attach 2 more T connectors to the tops of our 24-inch pipes into the middle connection that should be facing downwards. Use your last T connector to connect 2 of your 4 3/4 inch pipes together and connect the ends to the T connectors that are on top. Now we simply connect our 2 arms. Perfect. And add our final 4 3/4 inch piece to the top as the neck. What you choose for the head is up to you. For mine, I used a cross connector. If you have done all that, then you should end up with your very own PVC mannequin, perfect for displaying your cosplays. If your mannequin is too tall, simply trim down as necessary.
And that should just about do it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if it helps you guys out, be sure you give this video a like, subscribe to our channel if you can, that'd be awesome. And if you guys want to know about more what's going on with Creative Cosplays, be sure you follow us on Instagram. Check out our website, creativecosplays.com. We really appreciate you guys watching and supporting us. We can't do it without you. Until next time, stay safe out there, guys.